Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit in Exness by bank card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So now first, let's head over to our Exness and now let's quickly log in. Now the next thing which you need to do now is to tap on deposit. Select the account which you would like to deposit to and just tap on deposit. Here, you will see all the payments methods offered by the Exness. The next thing which you need to do now is to select bank card. Then now, as you can see now, what you just need to do now, input your bank card number, cardholder name as written in the card. Enter your secret CVC number. Then now come over here, select your Exness wallet account you would like to deposit to. Then now come over here, then enter USD. So now, then tap on continue. Okay, after tapping on continue now, your one-time password will now be sent to the bank account linked to your card. Then once you input the password, the deposit to be confirmed. So, that's basically how you can deposit in Exness by bank card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.